guys, so today I'm going to be making candles, and I wanted to make them for fun, but I'll also probably make some for gifts and stuff. I bought a whole set of some holiday dessert fragrances, and I only am going to do 3 today, or 3 fragrances. I'm going to do pumpkin pie, and this one was my favorite. Then I have apple cinnamon, and I have gingerbread. So yeah, I'm only gonna do these 3 today. And I already have my wax melting at 185 degrees, and I have my little thermometer here. This one though, it always like moves around. It was in my funnel cake video too, I think, and it kept moving around and messing up. And now I'm just gonna melt it fully, and then I'll add my fragrance. Okay, so in this bag I have some soy wax, and I tried it before, and then I finally perfected like a way that I wanted to do my scents and stuff, like with these. I also got the wicks, or they came with them, and then I just hot glued them down at the bottom of my candle holders, and I just got these from the dollar store, so yeah, it's nothing fancy or anything. And so I have these things too that came with them. They're supposed to hold the wick in place, because some people, they'll use like a pencil, because I only have 2, so I'll have to use this pencil for some of the other ones. So I have my wax all melted, and I have my first fragrance. I'm going to do pumpkin pie, and I took like the little like lids off the things, because they're supposed to be droppers, but in order to get like a good scent, I'm going to add a tablespoon of the scent just to make sure. Oh, some of it's falling in. Okay, so now this is good, so I'm going to add it into here, and now I'm going to put this lid on top. Now, to make sure it's well incorporated into the wax, I'm just whisking it together. Okay, so now I'm going to pour my mixture into here. Okay, so now I'm gonna I'm gonna melt some more wax and add more scent. Okay, so I have my wax melted, and the next scent I'm gonna do is apple cinnamon. And this one I'm just gonna pour the whole bottle in, since it's like already not much in the bottle. So yeah. Now I poured that in, and I'm gonna whisk it together. Alright, that seems good enough. Oh, just a hot water over here. And now I'm gonna pour it into into here. And we tried to use the pencils, but it didn't really work, so I'm just gonna do it anyway. Oh, I felt that one a little too much, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna heat up more wax to finish my last fragrance. Okay, so now time for my last scent, which is gingerbread, and now I'm gonna add it into my melted wax. And my candles, we decided not to add like wax coloring or anything. So yeah, they're all just the same, like orangey color, and then I don't know how they'll dry. Or yeah, they're gonna dry white. Duh. The soy wax is white, but it just looks like orangey. Okay, I think that's mixed enough. Okay, now I'm gonna add it into my candle holders. I'm just gonna add a little bit more into these two. And then, oh, I have one over here I can add it to. I don't have a lot left, but that's okay. I'll just see. Oh, I accidentally touched it. Okay, so now I'm gonna leave these all to harden for 24 hours and then I'll be back. Hey guys, so now it is 24 hours later and all of the candles are dried. And now I'm gonna cut the wicks off them. And I'm just gonna take all the pencils out first of these ones. And then I'm gonna take the little metal things off these ones. And then there's like a bit of wax here. I won't worry about it. And now I'm gonna take scissors and cut them, but I don't wanna cut them too short, but I don't wanna cut them too long either. And then this one doesn't really matter because it's the leftover wax that I had. And now the last one. And the scents, you can smell them, and I can't really tell which ones are which, but I'm gonna light it. I'm gonna light this one. I can't tell which one it is, but I'm gonna light it and see if it'll like smell.
Maybe gingerbread? I don't know.
I don't know. I think I did. I don't know, the metal ones that I did, those were the pumpkin. So this one is pumpkin. Okay, so now I'm gonna light it. There we go. And now I'm probably gonna wait a little bit because it'll take a minute for it to sort of have the scent. So yeah. While this burns for a little while, since I'm gonna give some for presents, I'm probably gonna make more too, but I'll just show you how I'm gonna wrap them. I have these little, this is gonna be for Christmas, but I have these little bags and they say peace, love, and joy. So I'm gonna put the candle. Okay, sorry, my mom didn't put her phone on mute, but like I said, I have this little like bag here, and I'm gonna put that candle inside. And then I'm just gonna take, oh, I couldn't see the piece of ribbon. Oh, there's one of these that I have first, and I'm gonna sort of tie around with. have some green ribbon, and I'm gonna tie it around here. Okay, so now I have this wrapped in here, and I'm gonna check on my candle. It has melted like a little bit. You can see some of the wax. I can't really smell it like that much, or I don't know, maybe I'm smelling all the candles at once and I can't really tell. But yeah, I think the candles turned out well. Also, I have this little thing. My mom bought it for me, so that way I don't have to blow out the candles. And then, because I bought one from a store called Kirkland's, and I really liked it. And it has like 3 wicks, and whenever, like, she'll leave it on for a long time, and then it'll have a bunch of like black residue or whatever left. So instead of blowing it out, I can just do this. And then it goes out because it traps air. So yeah, now there is smoke everywhere. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Okay, just an update. It smells a little bit. You can smell some of it. It's been burning for, I think, yeah, over an hour now. And you can smell a little bit, but it still looks pretty and it looks nice with all my Christmas decorations in my little village that I have here. So yeah.